I just bought this 2007 GTI Mark V and it's a zippy little car to cruise around in. It's in great shape with 87,000 miles on it. But one of the first things I noticed right away was that there was a part missing under the hood, and that the air intake hose was just hanging and hitting the radiator fan. I've reattached the hose, but you can see that the air intake cover is missing. Without the cover, the intake hose keeps falling down from bumps and vibrations, and the only way to keep the hose on is with this replacement intake cover. You can see the part number here if you need to order one yourself. I'll also list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. But here's the actual cover. It's just a piece of plastic, but you do need this if you want to stop your air intake hose from constantly falling off. Also, I know this will fit well because this is a genuine Volkswagen part. To attach it, make sure the air intake hose is in position. Then the intake cover snaps over the top of the hose and bracket. Secure the plastic clip on one side and then line up the top on the other side and then snap the intake cover into place. The cover is what actually holds the intake hose to the frame of the car. And as you probably know, without the intake cover, the hose will keep falling off. Here's what it looks like installed, and it makes the engine bay look a little bit more complete. Please note that this is for a Mark V GTI with an FSI engine. If you have a different engine, the part number and cover will be different. And this cover will work on the same generation Golf and other VW models with the FSI engine. It's very easy to install and takes less than a minute to snap into place. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.